Today I'm going to show you how to reorder sections in Wix Editor. If you're looking to restructure your website's layout or improve how content flows on your pages, this quick guide will help you move sections around with just a few clicks. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website settings and design tools. This is where you'll begin the process of accessing your editor. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to reorder sections on, especially if you manage multiple sites under your Wix account. It's always good to double check before making any changes. Next, from this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the full Wix website editor, where all the design and layout modifications happen. Go ahead and click on it. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. From here, simply locate the section you wish to reorder by clicking and selecting it. Once the section is selected, you'll see a side menu appear with an up and down arrow on it. These arrows are your control buttons, letting you move your section up or down within the page structure. It's a straightforward process, but there's an even easier way to manage this if you want a clearer view of how sections stack. Now, to make the reorder process much easier, let's head to Mobile View. Click the mobile icon on the top part of your screen, and you'll be presented with your site's preview in mobile format. This gives you a much easier way of reordering your sections in a compact view, which can be really helpful since mobile layouts are often more condensed and linear. Simply click on a section, locate the arrows, and move it down or up as needed. This mobile view approach simplifies the entire process and helps you visualize how the changes will look on smaller screens, which is crucial since a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully reordered your sections in Wix Editor. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how your content is presented and how visitors navigate your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.